Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The Brent benchmark oil price held above $70 a barrel despite closing the week out with a decline, after the International Energy Agency warned that oil demand growth is slowing sharply. Spending on credit and debit cards rose last week to 99% of its pre-crisis level, as households enjoyed the end of lockdown restrictions, according to the Bank of England. The dollar held firm to close out the week, staying near its highest level in 4 months against a basket of currencies, as investors looked for more hints from the Federal Reserve.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The U.S. total net TIC flows at 2000 GMT. Germany's German BUBA monthly report will be released at 1000 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 4:30 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.